Hello guys. I have a nice chicken here. He likes pecking at things. Haven't seen this chicken peck at so many things at one time. Likes pecking at my zippers. There's some other chickens here. You're looking down here? Look at this. You're like watching yourself? Look at that. There you are. You're in the camera. Quack-a-dock-a-doo! Hey, buddy. Hey. Yep, see, he pecked at it. Pecked at the zipper. Don't peck at my face. No, no. He's really good at just sitting here. However he wants to on my hand. When are you gonna try and jump off? No, don't get close to my face. You did it 2 times or something like that. You picked up my glasses. It's getting pretty cold out here. Snow has already landed on the ground, but I don't see any right now on the ground. But it's a very, very nice chicken. Both of these red or orange chickens. Yep. So it's kind of like, when you look at it, it looks like a dark orange brown. It was a really good holding you, chicken. If you want to get on the thing, there you go. Had a good time with you. You like looking at the camera. Bye-bye, chickens. Bye-bye. Bye.